Today we're making jalapeno goose poppers with a jalapeno ranch dipping sauce.
Over the years, I feel like I've made tons of different recipes for poppers, but this one takes the cake when it comes to making it with goose. First, we'll tenderize the goose breast using a meat mallet, then we'll cut it into thin strips about the size of your jalapenos. Then we'll place our goose strips into a large bowl and cover with Allegro Marinade and place them in the fridge for at least 1 hour, if not overnight. Once the marinade time is about up, we're going to mix together our ingredients for the jalapeno ranch dipping sauce. We'll need 1 jalapeno that we finely diced, 1.5 cups of ranch, 1/4 cup of lime juice, and a teaspoon of minced garlic. We'll place that in the fridge as we get our poppers ready. We'll take a jalapeno, cut it in half lengthwise, then remove the seeds and the core. We'll spread cream cheese inside of the jalapeno pepper halves, and then place the goose strip on top of the cream cheese. We'll sprinkle that with some barbecue rub, then wrap in bacon and secure with a toothpick. Then we'll grill the poppers on medium-high heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until they're cooked to your desired doneness and you're ready to serve with that delicious jalapeno ranch dipping sauce. Check out the caption for more information on this recipe.